Opening the P2pro packaging, you can see it contains the P2pro thermal camera for smartphones, accessories, and a card package. With 9 grams metal body and 9 millimeters thickness, P2pro is the world's smallest thermal camera. 1/7 of the traditional volume, 10 times ability to enhance. P2pro with a 256 by 192 high resolution and 40 mK high sensitivity. It provides you with clear thermal vision. Open Google Store and search for P2pro, or search for Thermal P2 on the App Store and download it. Now, insert P2pro into your phone, and your phone will instantly turn into a thermal camera. Be sure to turn on OTG, otherwise the thermal camera will not work properly. Open the software. Here, we can see the image capture and video taking functions, which can capture infrared images and videos and store them directly in the library below. The palette on the side offers 11 different pseudo colors to choose, providing a wide variety of choices. The screen showing thermal images has a floating ball with 5 functions in total. The temperature display switch, located at the center, allows you to toggle the center and high-low temperature display on or off. The first option on the side is the image flip angle setting, which allows you to flip and rotate the image by any angle of 90 degrees. The second option is the environmental variable correction, where you can modify the settings for emissivity, ambient temperature, target distance, and other parameters based on your specific needs. The third option is the measurement mode, where you can select either the high quantity or wide range option according to your actual needs. This can provide an ultra-wide temperature measurement range of -20 degrees to 600 degrees Celsius. 25 Hz frame rate ensures smooth temperature readings and minimal flickering. The last option is the image setting, which can adjust the image brightness and contrast. This is the image refresh button. When the image quantity decreases, you can click this button to refresh the image. The visible light image button allows you to open the phone's camera to view the corresponding visible light image. Turn on the settings option, where you can see the first option is the professional measurement mode. When turned on, more professional measurement tools will be available on the home screen. The first tool is the point temperature measurement, where you can randomly click on the screen to display the temperature values, and up to 3 arbitrary temperature measurement points can be set. The second tool is the line temperature measurement, where you can draw a line on the screen to display the 3 temperature values of the line, highest, lowest, and average, and up to 3 lines can be drawn. The third tool is the area temperature measurement, where you can draw a square area to detect the highest, lowest, and average temperature within the area. When you want to cancel the corresponding temperature measurement function, you can click the Delete button or use the Clear All Temperature Measurement Functions button. The fourth option is the DIY bar function. When opened, click the Unlock image on the side and you can slide your finger to set the highest and lowest temperature range. And the object being measured will display gray-black color if the temperature is not within this range. This is the simple and practical feature. The second option is the advanced image setting, which allows you to make your image clearer. The third option is the temperature setting, where you can switch between Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin temperature units. The second tool is the temperature alarm setting, which allows you to set high and low temperature alarms. The fourth option is the general setting, which includes language switching and watermark on and off switch. The last option is the Help button, which can be used to view the manual and provide feedback on any issues. The secondary analysis feature is operated in the album. Open an infrared image in the album, and you can perform point, line, and area temperature measurements on the image. You can also modify the palette and generate a report with a single click to easily share your results, which is quick and convenient to operate. So that is all for the software functions. Now, let's introduce the hardware features. You may be unfamiliar with this magnetic lens. The magnetic lens is very useful in detecting electrical circuits, as it enables you to clearly see resistances as small as 0.25 millimeters. It is a great partner for circuit maintenance and research engineers. Compatible with phone, tablets, and computer. Equipped with 19.7 and 50 centimeters extension cable, more flexibility in temperature reading.